birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello, it's that time and season in Omega 5 Ministries when we gather to celebrate the coming of an icon, a man sent of God for a season, for a reason, with a restoration mandate that has reached all over nations. He has defied the world and conquered nations with this message, and it arrived also to us as Botswana. My name is Pastor Captain Nsimbi, Omega 5 Ministries Botswana, and we join everybody in this season to say a happy birthday to our Father in the Lord, the Restoration Apostle. Daddy, may God preserve you for generations to come. Omega 5 Ministries, what do we say to our Father?
Happy birthday, Papa.